So, you're hosting Christmas. And in preparation, you've decked your halls and bowed your holly so much that people are starting to worry that you've been possessed by Buddy the Elf.
It's just nice to meet another human who shares my affinity for elf culture.
But despite your best efforts to trim the tree in every room of the house, there's always one that evades that special Christmas magic. And it's one room that, depending on your cooking, may be the most used room in the house. And so this year, regardless of who needs to put their Yule log down the chimney,
grossest metaphor ever,
they're gonna leave a few pounds lighter and a lot more jolly as we create the most festive place to poop. Let's start by putting a sign in the wall. Something big that will remind everyone that walks in just what they're there to do. Something festive, something catchy, and I think I know just the thing.
Ugh, what is that stench? It's fantastic.
Let's make a stencil. Cut it out. Put it on your frame. And then, like a good little crafty elf, paint it all in. Not forgetting to yellow the eyes, of course. Putting the frame around the bathroom art. And then hanging it in place. Next, we need a head knocker. For it, go find a relic from a bygone age, like from a grandpa or an antique store. Make any fixes if needed. Now grab pieces from the lid of a whiskey barrel. Cut to length. Measure twice, cut once. Make a shelf. Make 2 shelves. Secure the shelves and then hang. With those done, let's work on the ceiling so that no surface in this room is left out. Let's set the mood and start with some Christmas lights. Add some ornaments, because they aren't just for a tree. And then snowflakes. Lots of snowflakes. And now we decorate to the point that it looks like he went all Clark Griswold all over the walls. Framing the edges with lighted garland? Yes. Does the corner need a giant nutcracker? Yes. Does it also need some presents? Absolutely. How about 2? A little red truck hauling a Christmas tree?
A little red truck hauling a Christmas tree.
How about another tree to go with it? Christmas trees for the shelf, of course. Festive preparations for your more potent guest lumps of coal? Hashtag not sponsored. Decking every surface with boughs of holly. This is the way. Don't forget any open corner or space. Wrap the cabinets up with a nice bow. Candy canes are always classic. And to top it all off, make sure to get the best soap in the world. Hashtag not sponsored. Why? Because it smells like Montana. Then, when it's all done, sit and enjoy.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.